Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with an interesting course that is on data analyst. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe our channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find approximately 400 plus videos. Those will help you in cracking the interviews on trainers, team leader, operation manager, Six Sigma certification, quality analyst, MS Excel reports and dashboard, Scrum Master, many more guys. Okay, so let's start with today's concept, that is on what is data analytics. We will see the overview, why data analytics is important, what are the type of data analytics, what is the career growth. We will see everything in this particular video. Let's start today's concept, that is on what is data analytics. Okay, so basically data analytics is a process of collecting, cleaning, analyzing and processing the data to find the pattern, trend and insight that help organization to make the better decisions. So what happens here, you have a raw data. Okay, with the help of raw data you are using certain tools like Looker Studio or else Python, Tableau, Power BI, and you are cleaning up the entire data, removing duplicates, etc. and all, and you are finding a different kind of a reports, like you're creating graphs, charts and everything, so that you can analyze the data. That particular activity, the complete steps are known as data analytics. Now data analytics generally focus on querying specific historical or real-time data to answer the clear questions. Okay, so if you have any questions on any of the data, prepare the report, prepare the dashboards. Okay, do certain activities in terms of analysis and definitely will get the answer about your data. Now data alone has no any value. Okay, we have to just find the insight with the help of the actions what we take. Okay, when we convert the data into insights, then we can understand like what this particular data is. Now what are the skills we required to have in data analytics? First thing, you should have a analytical thinking. Second, communication, good communication is required. You also should have a information on basic tools like SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python. So these are the basic tools. There are many more. Okay, like we have like Tableau, we have even what I can say, Looker Studio. So many more tools are there. Okay, you should have an understanding about that. Statistics is very important. You should know the basic calculation, mathematics, statistics. You should know mean, mode, median. You should know standard deviation, variance, etc. You should have always attention towards your details. You know how to clean your data. I will post a video how to clean a data in Excel. You can check in a description, you will find the information. And next we have, you should also always have the information about the business and the domain on which you are working. If you don't have the basic understanding about it, the data analytics will not work. And last, problem solving. With the help of data, what basic insights you have identified and what actions you are taking. Next, we have also seen some tool, and let's move to these examples. So with the help of data analytics, we can create many raw data into a valuable dashboards like sales analytics. We can do, we can identify a fraud detection if there is anything. Different banking, e-commerce companies, healthcare, marketing, logistic companies, all these companies are using the data analytics at vast, because they have a huge number of data. Okay, in order to convert the data into a valuable insights, definitely they will use data analytics tools. Okay, now with this particular thing, what we have understood, so what we have understood is a good data analyst not only analyze the data but also tells the story behind the data and help the business make smarter decision. So this is what we have to understand with the help of data analytics course. Next, what is, let's, before moving to the data analytics, we will understand two important things. One is what is data and what is information. Basically the data is raw, it's a complete raw data, like raw information which is unprocessed fact, no context, hard to understand. Okay, examples like we have certain numbers but there are no any specific information available. Next we have information which means we have a processed and meaningful data which has some context and we can easily understand that. Examples, they have mentioned a quality scores. Okay, they have mentioned sales report, there are sales there are titles given. So this is the difference between information and data. Now how we can convert the data into actionable insights? First we have to collect the data. After collecting the data we have to do cleaning of the data. Okay, after cleaning of the data we have to do the analysis of the data. How we can analyze the data? Okay, to analyze the data, what basically we have to do here is we have to create the graphs and charts. In this way we can analyze the data, then we have to generate the insights, and with the help of that we can reach to a target goal and we can find a better decision. So this is the steps we have to follow. Next, why companies are always rely on the data analytics? Because nowadays the companies are running because of the customers, and how they are getting the customers. They're collecting their data, right? They're collecting their phone numbers, they're collecting their information, they're asking them to fill the form. With the help of all this data, okay, to understand the customer insights, what kind of product the customers are looking, what kind of like inside the customer looking on the company, everything, every companies will have a n number of data, and to do that there is definitely we require a data analyst there. If data analyst is there, definitely he can, or he or she can give the information like on which part we have to focus. Okay, why? Understand the customer better. Second, make decision driven action, make data driven decisions. Okay, process improvement, for always they will focus on the process improvement. Identify the issue and trend pattern, increase efficiency and reduce the cost, forecast the future outcomes, and gain the competitive advantages. So these are the basic like information, or these are the basic reasons why the company use the data analytics. Next, what are the type of data we have? Okay, so basically we have four type of data. The first one is structured data, which means the data is completely organized. It has a complete row and columns like SQL data, or might be you will have data in a form of Excel. Semi-structured data, you will have data but not in a proper format. Okay, so like XML data or logs. Okay, unstructured data doesn't have any format, no fixed format, like example text or images, videos, etc. Qualitative data, which means descriptive data which has feedbacks and reviews. And quantitative data where we have a numbers, okay, like sales, revenue, age. So we have such kind of, these are the four type of data, five type of data, guys. You should always remember this because this is very important part. Okay, so we have five type of data. Next, what are the learning path for the basic data analytics? Okay, so from where you can start and where you can end, what are the basic learning parts? First we have to learn, focus on MS Excel. Okay, we can learn MS Excel with the help of our playlist. You can check out, guys. You will find multiple n numbers of videos on the MS Excel, Google Sheets. Okay, then you will also find a separate playlist on the statistics. Just go and check out, guys. You will find approximately 5 to 10 videos on statistics. Statistics consist of like mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variance, all this information, how we can calculate. So we should understand all this part. Now third, we have SQL queries. We should also know the SQL queries, basic queries, how to use the array, etc. and joins. Next, we should also know the data cleaning, how we can delete the duplicate, replace the missing value if there are any error, how we can remove those error, how we can do formatting. All this part we have to understand. Basic MS Excel data cleaning, we have prepared a video on it, guys. You can go to our description, you find out the video. Definitely that will help you out, guys. Next, after doing all this thing, fourth step will be data analysis. Fifth step will be visualization, which means the analysis what you have done, you should visualize that. Visualize in a form of dashboards, reports, graphs, charts, many things you can do. And last, you can project in a form of presentation, or else you can also like, it's a kind of a representation, how we can represent that data into a appropriate dashboards or reports. Next, career progressions, how data analytics career is booming, guys. Okay, what how much the freshers and how much the experience are earning, I have mentioned it very clearly. You guys can check it out, guys. Freshers like junior data analyst, earlier career like 1 to 3 years. Again, guys, this is not the official data. Okay, this is as per my research and understanding. You might get a variance in the salaries, that definitely depend on company to company. Okay, but this is just a general example, guys. Okay, next, let's move to the next part. This is very important, type of data analytics. Okay, there are four types. All the four types are really easy, guys. The name itself has its definition. First one, Descriptive analysis. What is the meaning of descriptive analysis? Descriptive analysis, which means it tells us what happened in that particular data. Okay, what happened in the past. Focus on the historical data. With the help of historical data, they will identify like what happened at that time, what was the sales, what was the revenue, etc. Okay, next, diagnostic analytics. With the help of that past data, we are finding the RCA, we are doing the diagnostic of that particular RCA, why something is happened, right? Third one, predictive. Now we are predicting with the help of that past data and diagnosis, we are identifying and we are predicting that what will be our future sales. Okay, how, on which part we have to focus on, and what the outcome we have received in first two phase, now what we have to focus on the next phases. Okay, so that is the predictive analytics. Fourth one is prescriptive analysis, which recommend what are the prescriptive, which we are giving some suggestions, we are recommending some suggestions or insights. With the help of that, a team get a support, and definitely we can get a desired outcome. So these are the four parts: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prospective. Guys, keep these 4 points in your mind, you will get all your answers. Next, moving and continuing the same part, let's see the examples on all the four analytics. First one, which is descriptive, we have a sales dashboard. Let's go with the sales example here. I have a sales dashboard and I'm showing the revenue of last month, and I am also showing the profit of last month. This is the descriptive analytics. Now diagnostic, with the help of that particular data, I want to see why the revenue got dropped in the last month. Okay, so we will do diagnostic analysis. Now predictive, now we are predicting with the same data, like how will be our upcoming month, how will be our revenue and profit. Now prospective, to have a better sales, revenue and profit, definitely we are recommending best strategy and best marketing approach for the profit. So this all four analyses are linked with together, guys. Okay, so in this way we have to understand how basically a data, with the help of the insights, we can get the actionable item. Okay, so these are the four type of data analytics. So this is overview on the data analytics, guys. So here we have seen multiple parts, we have seen definition, we have seen examples, we have seen what skills we required, we have seen why companies are using data analytics. Fifth, what we have seen here is type of data analytics, what kind of data we have, what is the difference between data and information. So almost 7 to 8 topics we have covered in our video. Okay, so just if you have missed out anything, go back, read it out all the points, and if you're going for your data analytics interview, yes, this video is definitely for you guys. Okay, so just go with it, crack your interview easily. We will be coming up with more upcoming topics on the data analytics in our upcoming days. Definitely just be alert, click on our bell notification. Definitely you will get notification on all the upcoming video. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Don't miss to check out our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook page. You will get information on all the upcoming vacancies, and don't miss to subscribe our channel. Have a great day.